Good morning to you, Pete. Yeah, the government announcing it's spending $1 billion to begin the process of developing these long-range defence capabilities for our Navy. Specifically, we're talking about anti-ship ballistic missiles, these new ones developed by the Americans, extended-range surface-to-air missiles, advanced lightweight torpedoes, and also improving our maritime strike capabilities. This is all about China. It's all about Beijing asserting itself in our region. It's expected by 2030, get this, there'll be some 300 submarines operating in the Indo-Pacific. How many do we have? We have just 6, Pete. And there's normally 1 in dry dock, which means there's just 5 out there at any given time.
Yeah, seems like quite a shortfall there when you compare the two. It's a good point, Jonathan. Yeah, so there wouldn't be a day that we don't talk about vaccines at the moment. So health experts are calling for Australia to expand its suite of vaccine options.
Yeah, expanding the suite of vaccines is how they put it, Pete. We'll bring up on the screen and show viewers what Australians are expected to get access to this year. The Pfizer vaccine, that's the mRNA technology, this new one out of America, AstraZeneca, the Novavax, but we're missing out on the Moderna vaccine. And that's got people scratching their heads. The health experts want the Australians to be able to get access to this. The Canadians are using it very well. It has that efficacy rate. It's very, very effective. It's in the top 2 along with Pfizer. The question is, why hasn't our government been able to strike a deal with the company? No doubt there'll be questions asked of the Prime Minister today. The TGA is expected this week, perhaps as early as today, to approve the AstraZeneca vaccine, rather, to approve the Pfizer vaccine. So there is some good news there. The question, though, is do we need this other one? It's able to be used. It doesn't have to be kept at the incredibly low temperatures, which means it would be good for those remote regional Indigenous communities, Pete. So a few questions to be answered. Okay.